Meta Smart Glasses can't save photos or video. Step 1. Check available storage. Your Meta Smart Glasses might not be saving photos or videos because the internal storage is full. Connect your glasses to the MetaView app on your smartphone and check the storage section to see how much space is left. Step 2. Sync and delete old media. If your storage is low, sync any unsaved photos and videos to your phone through the MetaView app. Once synced, you can delete older media from your smart glasses to free up space. Step 3. Restart your Meta Smart Glasses. Sometimes a simple restart can clear up temporary software glitches, preventing media from being saved. Power off your Meta Smart Glasses, wait a few moments, then power them back on. Step 4. Check for firmware updates. Ensure your Meta Smart Glasses are running the latest firmware. Outdated software can lead to various issues, including problems with saving content. Use the MetaView app to check for and install any available updates. Step 5. Reset your Meta Smart Glasses. As a last resort, if issues persist, perform a factory reset. This will erase all data and settings, returning your glasses to their original state, which can often resolve stubborn software problems. Remember to sync all your media before resetting. You can usually find the option in your MetaView app settings.